Hello, I'm Dr. Yawen and I teach physics.
Hi, my name is Dr. Simon Wesley. I've been teaching at St. Mary's for 12 years now. I teach AP Physics, College Prep Physics, Conceptual Physics, and College Prep Chemistry.
Hi, I'm Christina Dufala. I'm an alumna from St. Mary's College High School, class of 2009, and I've been teaching here for many years. I currently teach freshman biology, AP biology, and I'm a cheer coach here as well.
Hi, my name is James Quach. I teach sports medicine here at St. Mary's College High School. This is my 13th year as a teacher and an athletic trainer.
Hi, my name is Olesi Voltaire, and I'm a teacher here on this campus. I have the opportunity to teach freshman biology and juniors and seniors in physiology. One of the beautiful things is that being an alumni of this school, I'm able to give back to what the school gave to me. All the students coming in, they make sure that they're getting the great opportunity and experience that the school gave me, and that they're able to continue on to the world and give it the enrichment that it needs.
Hi, this is Brent Ruby, Science Department Chair here at St. Mary's College High School. I want to talk to you about our Science Department. We have two major goals. Number one, we want to inspire future scientists. So if your student already has an interest or passion or desire to pursue natural science in college and beyond, we want to really support that and inspire that. Number two, we want all of our students to emerge as informed and engaged citizens, so that when they encounter different topics related to science in the future, they understand it, they know how to learn more about it, and they can have an informed viewpoint to make a difference. All students will come in and do college prep biology as freshmen. Year two as sophomores, they'll do a physical science, either conceptual physics or chemistry. Those first 2 years will get the 2 lab credits for UC qualification, a physical and life science lab credit in those first 2 years. Junior, senior year, students can branch out in a variety of topics. We have life and physical science. They can do marine biology, they can do physiology, and they have AP options as well, AP chemistry, AP physics, AP environmental science. We also offer college prep physics. So once again, future scientists is who we're trying to inspire. We want engaged and informed citizens. They get their life science and physical science in the first 2 years, then we make sure they get a 3rd year of lab science in junior, senior year, along with a bunch of different AP and upper division options. So thanks for visiting. Hope you have a great day.